Hi, Miss Devereaux here, and I'm just going to quickly walk you through how you can best complete your sample activity log. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to start by just writing in the week that you are working on. So if you are working on the first week that we have this due, you will write that in on your log, and you will write, let's see here. I think we said August 27th. Okay, and then you're just going to start by filling in each day. So you'll see Monday and you'll be working down your log this way on Monday, Tuesday. We give you through Sunday because we realize that you're not always going to be able to get all of your work done in the 5 days of school, or something might come up, but you do have a full week to complete your coursework, and so that's why we give you all of those days. So let's say that on Monday you are working on your English and you are doing your outline. And I'm going to number these just for the sake of an example. And let's say that I spent 45 minutes, okay? And that time might be 45 minutes consecutive, or it might not be consecutive, but overall I spent 45 minutes. If you are working on your outline, and let's say you work on it for 45 minutes, and then you come back to it and you work on it for another 20 minutes later on, you can do it that way. That's totally up to you. But let's say I worked on 2 tasks for my English class. So then that's why I'm giving these numbers, just to help clarify what I worked on and when. And then let's say that I had to do my reading and I read for 30 minutes that day. Okay. And then we'll say I worked on my speech elective class and I wrote my speech. And let's say I just started writing my speech. So I worked for 15 minutes and then I hit a roadblock. We don't want you to make up the times that you are spending in your classes. The goal of this is for you to have a real representation of how you're spending your time each day and what you're working on each day, and for us to have a better understanding. This isn't supposed to be a gotcha kind of assignment. This assignment is to help yourself, your teachers, and your parents see, okay, here is how I'm spending my time. Here's how much time I'm spending on these assignments. And let's say that your teacher goes, okay, so you worked on your outline for a little over an hour. Why haven't you submitted it yet? If it's over an hour, an outline doesn't really take a super long time. Or maybe you say that you work for 3 hours on math and then I'm going to say, so you did 3 hours. What did you do in that 3 hours? Just to kind of get an understanding. And maybe it comes down to, well, I got really confused and I don't understand. So then we're going to be able to encourage you to contact that teacher and set up some time for help. So we want you to be really honest in this so that you can get a good idea of how you're spending your time, what you're doing, and we can help to better advise you on what might be some good ideas to help you be more successful when it comes to your online learning. So please just fill out this time or this activity log as honest as you can, and be ready to discuss kind of how you're spending your time and what that looks like, so that we can help you come up with some better strategies for time management, and maybe solutions to when you run into roadblocks. If you have any questions, let us know.